You can ask yourself, why is National Geographic choose the Israel National Trail as one of the world's 20 most epic trails? Is it only because of the amazing landscapes that change their appearance in almost every section, from the green fields, rivers and waterfalls in the north, through the Carmel Forest and the Mediterranean Sea, down to the amazing desert that changes its colors variety in every corner, exposing you to geological phenomena and leaves you amazed at presence of its power impression. Perhaps is it thanks to the fact that on these paths walked Roman soldiers, Byzantine tribes, people of Israel at the biblical time, Jesus Christ, and so many more cultures that lives 4,000 years of history remains along the trail. Some might say that the real story of the trail is the people you meet along the way. The variety of people and life forms along the trail is something that you cannot find anywhere else. Tribes of Bedouins, Druze villages, Christians, Muslims, Jews, kibbutz members, soldiers in uniform, and of course the angels of the trail, good people who live along the trail that are willing to host you at their home with a big smile free of charge. After many years of traveling through the country's trails, in early March 2014, the director Victor Freg and his better half Yulana Alexeyev intend to fulfill their dream and start the journey on the Israel National Trail. This will be the first time that someone will shoot a film along the entire trail.
We want to give you opportunity to be real part of this adventure.
You can be sure that no matter which way you choose to participate in this journey,
this adventure will stay with you forever.